Chordates are animals belonging to the phylum Chordata, characterized by a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal slits, and a post-anal tail at some point in their development. This phylum is incredibly diverse, leading to various classification schemes. Here's a breakdown. 1. Salient features. Notochord, a flexible rod providing structural support, found at least during embryonic development. In vertebrates, it's largely replaced by the vertebral column. Dorsal hollow nerve cord, a nerve cord running along the back, unlike the ventral nerve cord in invertebrates. It develops into the brain and spinal cord in vertebrates. Pharyngeal slits, paired openings in the pharynx throat region initially used for filter feeding in aquatic ancestors. They may develop into gills in aquatic chordates or other structures in terrestrial ones. Post-anal tail, an extension of the body posterior to the anus, providing locomotion in many aquatic chordates. 2. Classification. The phylum Chordata is broadly divided into 3 subphyla. A. Urochordata tunicates. These are marine invertebrates, often sessile, attached to a surface as adults. They possess the chordate characteristics during their larval stage but lose many of them as adults. B. Cephalochordata lancelets. These are small, marine, filter-feeding animals that retain all 4 chordate characteristics throughout their lives. They are considered to be more closely related to vertebrates than tunicates. C. Vertebrata. This subphylum contains the vast majority of chordates, including all vertebrates. They are characterized by a vertebral column backbone replacing the notochord, a well-developed skull and brain, and other advanced features. Vertebrates are further divided into several classes, including fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. The largest group of chordates are